Hey there folks, so your PC does not meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11? You're not alone. As you see, here my PC has the same problem. Look, no TPM, no secure boot, and an unsupported processor. But since when do we listen to Microsoft's recommendation, huh? Here's a quick and easy method how you can bypass all those pesky measures and upgrade your old Windows with this brand new shiny Windows 11. Just click on the link in the video description to get to this GitHub page and download this zip file. Extract the folder anywhere in your computer and run the batch file. Now, choose the version you wish to install and click Auto Setup. That's it. From this point, the script will do the rest and not gonna bother you until you see the brand new Windows 11 desktop. Oh, this is truly awesome.